So, searching for how to create email for business, are we? Want your emails to look more professional, trustworthy, and less like a random Gmail user? If you're trying to start a business, the first thing you need is a legit email. So let's solve that problem for you right now. Before creating your account, here's what you need to know. Number one, you will need to get a custom domain address. It's crucial not only for credibility, but for this whole business email thing to work. You're also looking for a provider with proper security measures, TLS encryption, strong passwords, two-factor authentication, etc., etc. Finally, easy management is essential since you probably don't have time to learn all the ins and outs. Now, here is where we need to sort of choose our path. We know that we need a domain name. So you can either go with super affordable professional email box and get a domain separately, or you can get a bigger email box with a free domain for the first year, or you can go for the ultimate combo, getting hosting that includes professional email. I say it's the ultimate combo because building a website today takes only a few minutes and every business or brand can benefit from having a representative site. My one and only recommendation for your professional email hosting is Hostinger. Not only because it's one of the most affordable providers out there, but it's easy and there are no hidden costs or traps, so a perfect entry point for any beginner. You can find both discount links for shared hosting and specific professional email hosting in the description or by scanning the QR code on the screen right now. So how to create a business email domain. First, if you go with a hosting and email combo, I'll leave my tutorial for building a website with Hostinger. You can find it in the description. But for email, the process is basically the same. Click the link, choose one of the Hostinger email plans, pay for it, and set up your account. Nothing you have not done on hundreds of other sites. But if you're stuck picking, I recommend business subscription since the price difference is minimal and that free domain name is worth at least 20 bucks. Step one is to pick your domain. Keep it short, memorable, and reflective of your brand. If you already own a domain, simply just connect it to your newly created business email address account. Main step two is creating your email. Just click to add a new inbox and then fill in the basic email information. I probably don't need to tell you how to do that, but a good advice for any business owner is to have info@yourdomain.com or help@yourdomain.com. That's what people usually expect to find. All right, now this step is more optional. You might want to connect your email to apps and devices. AgePanel actually makes it really simple. Apple, Microsoft Outlook, Thunderbird, all supported. And more importantly, with detailed explanations on how to get them connected. And your professional email is basically fully set up now. But here are a few of my tips if you still have time. Even with Hostinger's secure servers, take extra steps like enabling 2FA and using strong, unique passwords. Also, if you use extra apps for your email, make sure to keep them all updated for best security. Also, good management is essential. From my experience with my own business emails, organizing messages into folders really helps stay clean. Hostinger also makes it easy to monitor all your inbox's storage. While you do get a lot of it, make a habit of deleting things if you don't need, or downloading backups if you really don't want to get rid of things. All right, that's it. Now you know how to create business email that's professional, secure, and more importantly, easy to manage. Start with Hostinger Business Email, and don't forget to use the Hostinger email coupon code in the description to get your setup for less. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section. I'll try to answer as many of them as I can. Thanks for watching today's video. Hope you liked it. See you later.